Creating a thread in Slack helps keep conversations organized by allowing replies to be grouped under a specific message. Here's how to create a thread in Slack. Open Slack. Log into your Slack workspace either via the desktop app or web browser. Choose a message to reply to. Navigate to the channel or direct message where you want to create a thread. Hover over the message that you want to reply to in a thread. Click the Reply in Thread button. You will see a small speech bubble icon next to the message. Click on this icon to start the thread. Type your reply. A right-hand sidebar will open where you can type your reply. This is where your thread will be displayed. Type your response in the message box and hit enter or click send to post it. View and follow the thread. After posting, your reply will appear in the thread on the right. You can continue adding responses to the same thread, and everyone in the channel will see the thread icon next to the original message. If you want to receive notifications for replies, you can click the follow button in the thread sidebar. Access a thread. You can also view a thread by clicking on the thread icon at the top of the channel or DM to access all the conversations in that thread.